Let's make some fluffy vegan burger buns. To our mixing bowl, we're going to add 1.2 kilos of unbleached bread flour, 45 grams of sugar, 22 grams of salt, and 6 grams of instant dry yeast. Stir everything to combine. Next, we'll be adding 750 grams of water and 45 grams of refined coconut oil. This doesn't taste like coconut and will give the buns a rich, buttery taste. We're going to mix this in a stand mixer on low to combine the ingredients. If you have a smaller mixer, you can halve the recipe. Next, we're going to turn it up to medium and knead for 12 minutes. I don't recommend trying to knead this by hand as it's a high hydration dough and kneading will be a nightmare. Finally, to pull the dough together, knead on high for another 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and passes the window pane test. Pour some oil into a bowl and spread it all around. Gently transfer the dough into it. Then we're going to cover and leave to ferment for 1 to 2 hours or until doubled in size. This will depend on the temperature in your kitchen. The warmer it is, the faster it will rise and vice versa. Mine rose so much I uncovered it and it started mushrooming over the top. Sprinkle some flour onto our countertop and then we're going to tip it out, making sure to scrape every little bit of dough. Prepare a lined baking tray and flour it. With a dough scraper, we're going to portion out about 120 grams of dough. Then we're going to fold it into itself like this and pull the skin taut while twisting the excess dough underneath. This will give us a smooth ball. Place on the floured tray. Cover with another tray, or if you're using plastic wrap, flour or oil the tops before you cover. This is a lot of dough, so bring in a friend to help ball everything up. This recipe makes 18 buns. Arrange all the balls nicely and allow to proof for 1 to 2 hours or until doubled up in size. Once it's doubled up, we're going to gently brush the tops with the golden syrup and oat milk wash. Then sprinkle sesame seeds generously over each bun. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes just like this one. We're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Then switch the trays around and bake for a further 15 minutes until the surface is evenly browned. Once the buns are baked, cover with a clean tea towel to keep it nice and soft. If you prefer a crisp exterior, you can let it cool down without covering. Pulling them apart like this is my favorite thing to do. Watch this video to see how I make an amazing satay burger. Thanks for watching everyone, I'll see you in the next video.